Continued adventure, Cincinnati, Ohio. Ohio got a lot of nice cities y'all need to check out. Come down here, especially in the summertime, it's nice. All like shorty big bold, like the heat don't work. Hey Teggy, I see you in Tegger. Oh, he saw me and he's like, let me hit that V tag. Yeah. Let me hit that V tag. You know, I really rock with Cincinnati because, you know, I gotta say, man, I could see myself living in Cincinnati.
Nah, I was saying that like, if somebody was in love, they'd live in Cincinnati, you know, these.
Oh yeah, lie to me, these lie to me, ride to me. Whew, getting workout right here. It's the hills.
Where are we?
We're just gonna go up to the street and then take a left.
Up here?
Yeah. Yeah. Rego, what do you think about the architecture in Cincinnati? I gotta say, actually, I love it. I love their architecture, for real. They keep a lot of their old buildings.
You know, think about American architecture. The thing about American architecture is like, it be long and like cube shaped.
Well, we also gotta realize that we're in the Midwest too. So the Midwest style of building, you know, especially a lot of these cities are older, 1800s. It's like, it's gonna be that old school brick mixed with glass, actually more brick than glass a lot of times.
But even if you go to like other places in the United States, it's kind of the same, like our theme is like cube.
Oh,
square,
okay, yeah, the square.
like,
oh, you're talking about like the actual shape.
Yeah, the
okay.
shape, yeah.
Because I think the difference is from some cities is that in Ohio, probably like, well, Detroit, I don't know so much. Okay, like Ohio cities, Indianapolis cities, majority of Midwest cities, I think, okay, you have more brick or marble than you have glass.
Exactly.
But then when you go to like the West Coast, maybe even Southwest, they have a lot of glass. Mm-hmm. Like I would say their buildings are majority glass and not brick or marble or whatever. So I think that's the difference between
the material.
The materials too. I think that's the difference between the Midwest and the West Coast, you know.
Yeah, the material and the but it's the material is different, but the shapes are still consistent.
Yeah, no, that's all around America. Well, the skyscraper, I would like to see what is the let's cross right here because I want to see FC Cincinnati right here. I mean, y'all not better than Columbus Crew, but what's up? Cincinnati, I see you got a soccer team now. I'm rocking with y'all. These are our new rivals.
Yeah, but they're not good.
Well, they actually was side.
They're not Columbus Crew.
Well, Columbus Crew is the best.
Yeah.
hey, who won 2 national championships, man? Who won the cup, baby? Well, look, I rock with Cincinnati FC, you know what I'm saying? Y'all my brothers. I rock with Cincinnati, natty people. Yeah.
Barely, but.
Barely, yeah, they're gonna get at you.
No.
So is this the actual store? Oh, it is. Is it the actual store? Huh. Oh yeah, I guess it is. Huh.
What's the date?
Oh, that was the stadium that they built.
What's the date? Saturday?
Yeah, is it open?
No.
Hey, this is sort of fire though.
Yeah, the alley.
Yeah. Hey, yo, Wanda, I know you up there. Where my money at?
Hey, Wanda, I know you up there. Bring your ass down here. We're going to Taste Cincinnati.
I'm the past, present, future, truth seeker. More importantly, a true leader. I'm wise beyond my years. I move above my peers. I don't look down, but what else could you do from here? Hey, yo, Keisha, I know you up there. Let me up there, Keisha. Yo, lower it down, Keisha. I know you up there. Me and Rico being really patient right now. We've been in Cincinnati traffic downtown for 25 minutes because we're trying to go to Taste Cincinnati. Come on, Cincinnati, you got to get it together with the traffic, man. This is crazy. I don't know if this is tri-state traffic or it's like Kentucky people, Indiana people, Ohio people.
It's all a mixture, bro.
Yeah, yeah. But like Taste Cincinnati's right there. I knew that I should have went to another parking garage, and I hope that I bedded the right way for this parking garage, because if I didn't, we're in trouble. We might be here for 30-40 minutes, unfortunately.
here in Public Square, no garage.
Oh, we are.
We are here. Huh?
Eh?
We are here in C-Town.
Hey, this is sort of nice.
We are here.
And we are going to Taste of Cincinnati.
Cincinnati. Try all the food.
All the food.
Under $10.
And then you holla.
Holla. That's funny. What are you talking about, right here?
No, I have no idea.
Oh, yeah.
Nah. It's somewhere, though. Taste of Cincinnati is...
This way.
This way? Okay, thank you.
Yeah, you gotta go up like 3 blocks from there.
Okay, thank you. Always ask her.
But you know, once again, the exercise 3 blocks down.
Can you give me an Ethiopian one? So, nah, they hard.
I can't, bro. I can't do that.
Well, guys, we're back at it again out here. Man, I gotta say, Rico's been getting us lost all day. That's something I gotta say. You know what I'm saying?
You know, he been insisting.
Yeah, look right there. The little, we should have took that little trolley thing. I forget what it's called.
Trolley.
The trolley. He said 3 blocks that way.
So this is the first block.
What's this block? O block? Say no, but O block. We ain't never been to O block.
63rd.
Man, when we get out of here, it's
gonna be a fun.
yeah, it's gonna be sort of kind of crazy to get out of here.
Well, if we stand for about an hour, it probably cleared up by here.
Well, because it go to like 11 or something, I think. I think it's like 11 o'clock.
But the tasting.
Yeah. Please God, lie to me. Lie to me. Dun, dun. Hey, dun, 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 dun. Yeah, he's killing it. Sort of like a little bit of a Louisiana twist to it, you know what I'm saying?
This ain't the block, right? Another one?
No, I think it starts like right here. Yeah. Hey, don't get it twisted. We got festivals like this in Columbus coming up.
Yeah.
The Caribbean Fest, we got a whole bunch of them coming up. The Black Expo. Yeah. We might go this way. See, that was like after slavery, like shit like that. Yeah. We done did so much today, and we still got mad shit.
Hell yeah, man.
You're right.
I want it bad, I want it bad.
Well, yeah, I mean, I guess the food sort of kind of starts on both sides. Right? $8? Yo, wow. For a beer? For a beer?
Currency conversion. She says this.
You know, it's funny because I have made a video. Me and my cousin that came here like 3 years ago.
Tell me about how you said like dropped off somewhere like that. I'm like,
Look at you. I like it.
Me either. Me either. But I would really like to have some Nepal food or Indian food if I could get my hands on it. You know what I'm saying? We gonna see. $9 cheeseburger.
It's not bad, it's just, I wish it can be bigger.
Let me see how big it is.
Well, I ate most of it, but look.
Damn, man, that's like a bite size, right? It's like a bite size, right? Is it good though, at least?
It is.
It's good. What was it? Was it cheeseburger?
Cheeseburger, lettuce,
Pickle?
ketchup, pickle. No.
Couldn't even wait till I made the video, so not too many vegan options.
Hold on.
You're almost there. I can feel it. You actually gonna find something you like. Yeah, you actually
Let's
find
see
it.
what's on. Like.
Hey, Nigerian? The Nigerian joint? I did forget they got a little population of Nigerians down here for real.
Meat pie?
Yeah, beef pies, you know what I'm saying? What is it? Suya, meat pie,
Suya.
puff puff,
Meat pie.
jollof rice.
Puff puff is like donuts.
Yeah, the little circle joints. Yeah.
Leave her.
Right, I know. This is the best taste of Cincinnati lemonade I ever had. You know why? Because I had to wait 30 minutes for lemonade, frozen lemonade. Rico, you mad at that?
I'm mad that I paid $10.
Woo, for that little hamburger.
And they can get $12 for a big burger here.
Your boy right here paid $8 for this little miniature hamburger. And he could have went around the way and got a double, 3 times the hamburger and a fry for $12. Hey man, Cincinnati playing you today, man. Well, at least I waited for 30 minutes for this frozen lemonade. Like, we'll see what else happens next.
Perfect.